Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your kid's bed in the corner properly, starting now. So you want to make sure you get some fresh sheets, and I'm going to show you a little professional tip that's been helping me to get the beds made in those corners like in no time. So I work from one side onto the next and making sure that I leave all the dirty pillowcases and sheets on the ground, and making sure that the pillows and sheets that are clean, leaving them on the top of the bed. That way it's not affecting our dirt and extra germs and stuff getting on our skin and irritating that, especially if you have allergies. So we're just stripping the bed and tossing all the toys and stuffed animals to the side, making sure we kind of keep everything together. And then we're going to grab that new fresh sheets and, like I said, start from one side to the next. Now what's been helping me is by starting from one side, from the top, and then moving to the bottom, has been helping to get those corners a lot tighter on those kids' beds. It's pretty cool. And you're probably like, why are you adding the sheet on top? Trust me, it's a game changer. It's a little hack that I've created on my own that's going to help you save so much time and energy for the finished product. So I'm literally just setting everything up to make it just an easy breezy experience. Now for time's sake, I just was putting a pillow up, but I normally like to put the floppy part of the pillowcases in the inside where they both face each other. But for the purpose of this video, I was wanting to show you how you can efficiently get this stuff done professionally, properly, in no time. So now that the top part's done, we're going to work our way to the bottom and making sure that we get those fitted sheets really tight and crisp on the sides of the bed. And literally, as I work each side, I put the top sheet kind of following suit so that I can weigh each side and make sure that the measurements on both sides of the sheets are equivalent for tucking underneath, especially for the kids' beds. And so I'm just tucking all the sheets and kind of doing that hospital corner aspect of the bed, and then rolling the comforter right on top. And literally, it's that easy, just making sure that everything fits the mold, and then slowly moving all of the toys again multiple times so that we can kind of give it a little aesthetic feel to it. So kids love this. I kind of like put books and move the toys around where they have conversations or they're just hanging out. And so just kind of making everything fit, and that is the end result of making that corner bed properly. So I hope you got a value out of this video, and then next time, see you in the next video. So stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.